तो एक क्वेश्चन और इंक्वायरी में क्या फ़र्क?
In Hindi, there are, I think, 3 or 4 words. One is कोतूहल, means खुजली. गुरु जी ये क्यों होता है? ऐसे ही बस. Not the answer has any meaning for you. Just it's a chit chat. कोतूहल. Then there is जिज्ञासा. Means now you're what you say interest, or you want to know about something really. That jigyasa means you want to learn an art. You're curious that what is that. And then there is a what they call mumuksha, that your whole being becomes a question. Now you cannot live without that answer. So each disciple also first connects with the guru out of kotuhul, through just curiosity. Then it becomes inquiry. And for mumuksha, there is no English word. It becomes then your whole being now wants to merge with this answer which is going on, let's say. And that is where the best of gurus come out also. You see, if a guru is dealing with only curiosity people, you will see his work is also very superficial. Because look at all the Gita didn't happen before Mahabharata. Why? Because Arjun didn't have inquiry. That inquiry provoked Krishna out of Krishna. So, because as Krishnamurti says, life is a dialogue, sir. It's a dialogue. It's not कि Guruji बैठे हुए and he's just telling things. It responds to
क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
that yin and yang, that exchange of energy. I think the best of gurus come out of if there are best of inquiries. It's a response that otherwise guru represents a wisdom which is present. It's up to you what kind of, you throw a small pebble or big pebble or you bring a flood. It's up to you. If your inquiry, you see, people ask very philosophical question. And you look at that, it's a waste of time to even tell them, because then they will have 20 more questions. But if somebody even asks a guru a real authentic question, even your superficial, very small, mediocre looking problem, but you really want to have some change about it, understanding about it, that brings out a response which is more than anybody else can give you, because there is a sincerity. Sincerity provokes the sincerity of the life also. You go with hypocrisy, you will get slapped and kicked out also. Some gurus in the past used to carry dandas. They will first strike you, chal bhag, sir, gives 2-3 galis, because as you are wasting your life's time, you think it's okay to go waste somebody else's time. There has to be training for when you go through experiences of life, and when you come across futility of what you are experiencing, then arises an inquiry. And not that if 10 people have the same inquiry, it will be one answer. There will be 10 different answers.
तो अगर मैं कुछ पूछ रही हूँ एंड सरफ जी कुछ नैना कुछ पूछ रही है, आपका रिस्पॉन्स अलग होएगा?
Because each mechanism is different. Some people, solution will be dance. For some, it will be sit so quietly. With some people, it will be something else. You see, sky is the same, but windows are many. और दूसरा, about gurus, what happens is that people start to talk about the frame of the windows. Each guru is a specific frame. Like this window frame behind us, you, is more decorated. But sky is the same. Some could be like a poor man's window. Does not matter. Sky matters. And this is what should be about gurus also, that is his eyes windows or not. Your interest shouldn't be the frame of the window, because you are going to pass through that to enter the sky.
इट हैज़ टू हम लोग आगे जज करते हैं, ये चीज़ देखे है, कुछ सीखे नहीं, पर आई थिंक इट हैज़ टू स्टार्ट इंटरनली दैट आई एम आई एबल डिसाइपल? एम आई अ वर्दी
In that, able disciple means, in our old traditional Upanishads, they say the highest quality of spirituality is Shravan. Shravan means to listen. Mumukshu, the deep inquiry, is related with Shravan. We don't listen. When Guru is answering, if you can be just quiet and let that whole feel enter you, don't worry about calculating, अच्छा, Google में ये पढ़ा था, सदगुरु ने भी ये कहा है, and all that, you miss the point. Because answer is the live energy. It's a blazing word, not what you read before. So for that, you have to be like water, not filled with words, just listening. Listening is one of the deepest quality you develop when you go deeper into life, that essentially our mind represents the moon. Moon is reflecting the sunlight. Moon does not have its own light. But our moon thinks, I have a light. So if you become very quiet, so Guru can reflect into your pond. Then you can understand. So, but understanding is not intellectual, People try to figure out what this Guru meant like that. Like, it's like when he's saying a click, a thunder happens and you catch the meaning. And physical presence is not necessary. You can think of any Guru which you feel heart's affiliation. Sincerely ask. But I will ask people, do you have a sincere question? Or is it about I should get a job or a girlfriend or how to be successful in life? That is all, you're asking. So, Guru bhi kya kare? I was joking with this students that if everybody was enlightened, then there will be craze, great demand for unconscious people. Somebody, and every guru will rush to him that let me wake you up. Yeah, so it's essentially guru is more like a guru. That guru is darkness. Ru is light. Guru, that which takes you from darkness to light. So yeah, you can't invent light with words.
Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhaj Man